Hey y'all, here we have the native pawpaw number 2. Look at the size of these flower buds. They're just huge. They're getting really big, swelling up for spring. We've got daffodils down at the bottom. Lots and lots of flower buds on this tree. We'll probably have a lot of pawpaws. Hopefully we will. Nothing really to report. Just getting ready for spring. Once these flower buds bloom, we've got tons of flowers. That's the native pawpaw number 2 for March.